not just a checklist. This is a system designed to protect your LED investment. The aging test process of every LED display is carefully recorded and archived. It's one of the most essential yet fundamental parts of our inspection workflow. Full white brightness testing is a critical step that ensures product quality before shipment. We perform brightness and contrast tests under full white, red, and green to verify optical performance. Using professional luminance meters and visual comparisons, we ensure consistent brightness and color accuracy. Electrical data of a single cabinet tested under different color states to ensure voltage, current, and power remain within safe limits. Every screw, connector, and cable must meet precise tolerances. We verify core dimensions such as modules and mounting holes with digital calipers. Thermal performance matters. Our inspection includes full load temperature testing using infrared tools to ensure heat dissipation is within safe range. No shortcuts. For outdoor LED displays, waterproofing is non-negotiable. Every unit undergoes a 15-minute IP65 level spray test, replicating heavy rainfall conditions. By combining expertise, precision tools, and systematic inspection, we identify hidden issues and help factories fix them before shipment, minimizing after-sales risks and costs. Every connector, every part, double-checked for compatibility and completeness. This is more than a routine inspection. It's a final confirmation of delivery reliability.